Hello, I'm Dr. Qi. I'm from the Department of Traditional Chinese Medicine of the First Affiliated Hospital of China Medical University. And specific acupoints is a kind of acupoint with special therapeutic effect, which is commonly used in clinic. According to its different distribution characteristics, meaning and therapeutic effect, it can be divided into 5 shu point, yuan point, luo point, and so on. Today, I will give you the class about the application of specific points. Okay, now first of all, let's learn about 5 shu points. The 5 shu points, which are 5 points located on the 12 meridians below the knees and the elbows. They are a set of 5 kinds of acupoints, just like the flow of water in nature. They can explain the varying depth and volume of meridian qi. The 5 shu points are applied according to the mean disease. Our ancients used natural water flow as a metaphor to express the distribution of qi and blood, from small to large, shallow to deep, giving a relatively vivid description. Among them, the well is the source of jing qi. They are at the end of the limbs. Well points have the effect of clearing away heat and first aid. Yin xue is compared to a brook in nature. They can treat systematic heat syndrome, including excess heat and deficiency heat. Shu points, just like a steam in nature, can be used to treat the body's stiffness and joint pain. Jing points are compared to rivers, can be used to treat cough and asthma. The joint point is located near the elbow and knee joint, which is equivalent to the sea, are responsible for the reverse disorders of qi. They can treat gastrointestinal symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and so on. Also, the application of 5 shu points combined with 5 elements, in the order in which the 5 elements were born. 5 shu points, jing, xing, shu, jing, he. We have 5 elements. Yang jing, that means gold, water, wood, fire, and earth. While yin jing, wood, fire, earth, gold, water. If it is true, it will drain its son. If it is empty, it will nourish its mother. Reasonable selection of tonifying and reducing points according to the state of deficiency and excess. For example, if you have lung disease, deficiency syndrome, we can choose tonified taiyuan because the earth generates metal. When clear chizhe because the metal generating water. Part 2. Original points and complex points. Original acupoints are used to diagnose and treat the disorders of the related viscera, the regions where the primary qi of the viscera flows by and retains. They are usually located around the wrist and ankles. Original acupoints can be used to diagnose disease. They can also be used to treat the disease of the viscera. If you have disease in your 5 internal organs, you have to take 12 of them. For example, upside insomnia, we can take Shenmen HT7. Lung disease cough, we can take Taiyuan LU9. For they are the original points of the heart meridians and lung meridians, respectively. The luo connecting points refer to the points where the 15 collectors stemming from the 12 meridians. They connect the meridians in exterior-interior relationship, and the amount is 16 points in all. Their main features are treatment of disease of the meridians. And part 3, back shoe and front move points. Back shoe points are located on back and wrist along the first lateral line of the bladder meridian, 1.5 km lateral to the back middle line. Their distributing orders are similar to that of the location of the viscera. In accordance with the corresponding theory, in clinic, we often use back shoe points to treat 5 visceral disease. Mostly used to treat deficiency syndrome and the pathological changes of main organs and tissues of the 5 internal organs. For example, eye disease, we use 肝属 BL18, and bone disease, ear disease, or anterior and posterior yin disease, we choose 肾属 BL23. Front move are located on the chest and abdomen. The location is similar to that of the related viscera. They can be used to treat disorders of the related viscera, especially the disorders of 6 fu organs, are usually needled with the combination of back shoe points. We use front move to treat the corresponding evidence of the internal organs in emergency, pain, and excess syndrome, gallstone disease. And part 4, 8 confluent and 8 influential points. 8 confluent points refer to the 8 acupoints on the 12 meridians that are connected with the 8 extraordinary vessels. They are used to treat disorders involving the face, head, and trunk related to the 8 extraordinary vessels. Examples: fallen pillow, cervical and lumbar spine disease, strong pain in the spine, we take 后溪, Ssection3, heart, chest, and stomach disease, we take 内关 PC6. 8 influential points are the regions where the essence of qi, 膻中, blood, 膈腧, tendons, 阳陵泉, vessels, bones, marrow, 脏 organs, and fu organs converse. They can take care of the treatment of disease related to tissues and organs. And part 5, C-cleft, lower 河系, and crossing points. C-cleft are the spots where qi and blood from the meridians are deeply conversed. Each of the 12 meridians and the 4 extraordinary vessels has a C-cleft acupoint on limbs. Clinical C-cleft acupoints are used to treat severe acute disorders of the meridians. C-cleft acupoints on the yang meridians are often used to treat various pain syndromes, while the C-cleft acupoints on the yin meridians are usually to treat various blood syndromes. Lower 河系 points refer to 6 points on the 3 yang meridians of the foot, where qi from the 6 fu organs converse. They are the key acupoints for the treatment of disorders of the 6 fu organs. Crossing acupoints are those at the intersection of 2 or more meridians. Most of them are located on the head, face, and trunk. Crossing acupoints are clinically used to treat disease of the relative meridians. That's all for today's class. Thank you.